So first one said, Jordan said what I learned last week is not something new. Step one, start instead of changing them. It's a routine. One good day is more powerful than four bad days. It's right thing, but it's not good also because sometimes one day will not cover four bad days, but it's better than four bad days. But it's not enough. It's better, but it's not enough. Right now, I'm still getting used to particular style, facing issues with ranges. But this week, I will explain more about price ranges today, how to build a base. Also, I will explain that one today. For me, I learned that you must have great attention to detail, not every detail. Sometimes there is details you don't need it. If you miss one small send out, it changes in regard to the outcome. Sometimes that happen, but not every time. Sometimes you don't need a lot of details. I will also explain how to find the right details instead of the unuseful one. Uh, I learned how to structure my analysis align with a time frame or time frame. I will also explain that with bias. I learned that 1 hour time frame is the most powerful time frame. No, that's not right because every time frame is right. Because sometimes if you look for 1 hour, sometimes it's not clean. If you try to trade it, you will lose. So maybe you need to confirm that time frame was higher. It will give you good trades, but as win rate, it's not good. If you are experienced with top-down analysis, you will find that 1 hour time frame is good because you will have something like the expert trader feeling, something like you have that range, but as an experienced trader, you know that range will not help you. You need more information, so you will go to a time frame. But if you're not expert, you will not understand that. For that reason, for me, I like higher time frame, lower time frame, and sometimes I use one time frame. But if you ask me what is the best for you, as I told you before, the best for me is higher time frame with lower time frame. But one time frame, I use it if I have higher time frame first. I will explain today how to find higher time frame from monthly, how to use reaction from monthly on lower time frame, step by step. Cleared a lot of confusion about PCL, SSL. Okay, especially on the same for me, higher time frame goes higher time frame is the yes, higher time frame is the real direction. But not everyone understand it because they think that if you are bullish on weekly, you have a liquidity target, you will look for buy on 15 minutes. That's wrong. If you have a target on monthly, sometimes you need to look for sell first, so that you will look for buy. I will explain that how to understand the small reactions on high time frames, use them for day trade. So buy side, sell side, especially on the psychological side, which improves give me the confidence. Okay, the best thing here is to find your own approach. That's what you need. It's not about my way, it's about anyone way, it's about your way. I explain more than that. You can choose what's the best for you. And sometimes you can find a different brand without the other brands. You can use the first one, second one, third one, and find your own brand. It's like it's about a ways to find your way. Are we having plus today? No, we don't have a plus today. This week I learned how to first of all to output today. Then I learned how to react to fast changes, not time frame structure, and then I got better at. Okay, I will also explain top-down analysis today, and that's all for. And for Amy, she said that she understand breakup block. Did anyone don't understand breakup block? Breakup block is IBA. It's just different name. Everyone, you, Ronnie, understand it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So since that's all, let's go to right now. Let's so press send. We need to understand some information. So as a day trader, all you need is a small reaction on high time frame, and you will find the trades on low time frame. But if you look for ranges, you know that every trader uses ranges. Me, or anyone, or any another mentor, or any mentor you see, use ranges, but you just have different name. For me, it can be price led. For Able, it can be ranges. For another trader, it can be structure. They are the same. No one can trade without structure. No one can trade without ranges. They are the same. Even if traders in LIT who said they just trade liquidity, no, they trade the same. It's just different names to sell courses. But at the end, all all mentors explain the same information. For me, I explain ILQ, but in ranges they explain T1 trap, which is the same thing like ILQ. But the way of teaching is the most important thing, because if you join a mentor which tell you about T1 trap, sometimes you will not understand. But if you join another mentor, he have the same information, but he told you about ILQ, change the name, and give you another way of information, of explanation also, you will understand. But you have the same knowledge. T1, it's ILQ, internal liquidity, it's SLQ, but the only difference here is the way of teaching. Sometimes you will have the same information in the five mentors, and at the end you will understand from one. So it's about the way of explanation, not the mentor, not the way. All of us use the same thing. Algo trader, liquidity, structure. Everyone trade liquidity or BI use the same thing. It's just about your way of teaching and your secret things you find it with experience. Okay. After that, for high time frame, like monthly and weekly, daily, for us, because we are day trader, we don't care about if price will target the external or not. We don't target that. We don't use high time frame like that. So if you look for price lead like that, like range, you will not look for something here to target that external because you are bearish. So because I see that someone has bearish range, so he will look for sell because he has bearish range, so bearish range on weekly. No, you are wrong. One candle on weekly means 5 days. You don't care about if price targets external on weekly or not. One candle on monthly means 4 weeks. You don't care if price targets external on monthly or not. So we use high time frame in a different way. We just try to understand where we are in the market. That's what we need. We don't care about targets external high or external low. We don't use that. But you will do that on lower time frame. On lower time frame, you can target the higher time frame external or lower time frame external, because on higher time frame you try to find your bias, and once you find your bias, you know for now the price bearish, price will target the external lows. That's what you will do. But finding the bias, you don't know if price will target the external or not, and all you need is just the candle on monthly, the candle on weekly, or the candle on daily, because one candle on daily give you the daily bias, one candle on weekly give you the weekly bias, one candle in monthly give you the monthly bias. If you look at weekly on USD CAT, just you are on the same price lead for more than 1 week. If you are here, you are here. You are in the same price lead more than 1 week. You have that one, that one, that one. Every candle will give you 5 days. And also another thing, because people think that if you choose the BOI in the price lead and price hit your SL, that mean your range is wrong. No. For us, we don't know which one will give you the right reaction. 100% we don't know. So let's say that we have a price lead from here and price go like that. We have from here empty price action and we have from here last point of liquidity. So we will look for buy from here like that. That's on high time frame. After that, after price move, price give me more information. So what we have now, we have empty price action here. We have another building liquidity here. So for now, we are bearish. Take that one. After price towards that one, what we have another same lead. We have empty price action, price create liquidity, so we are bullish again. So every move in the market give you different information. For that reason, I told you, don't care about what will happen after that, because once price give you information, you will understand that you need to do that. Just let price drive your way of trading, and don't care about just going up or going down. Just care about what price give you. I have liquidity here, that's empty price action, I will go for buy. After that, if you start again, you will find that you have for now liquidity for that empty price, so I will go down because price give me more information. More information give you another way of seeing the market. Everyone understand? Something like that. If you look at weekly here that's a low, that's a high. As you can see below that liquidity, we don't have anything. We just have that IBA. After price move a little bit, if you look at the price lead for now, you will have that one from here to here. So you can look for sell. Okay. And it says the price reaches at third candle here. If you look at the price lead you have nearest to the third candle, you will have that one from here to here. And if you look at liquidity, it will be that one now. So you will look for sell. So every move on the time frame, on the higher time frame, give you different information. So just react with what price give you. Don't say I have liquidity here and I have liquidity here. What I should do? You should react with what you have. I have liquidity here. That's an IBA. I will look for buy. I reach here. I have a new one. I will react from here. Price go down like that. What I will do? I will look at what I have now. I have for now that one with that one. That's a liquidity. Even if you can choose that one from here to here. What you have, I have empty price action. Price build some liquidity. I can look for sell. That one candle means 1 day, 1 week. Okay. So if you just steer to the same weekly price lead from here, as you can see, you are in the same weekly price lead, but you just react to candle by candle. Okay. So from here, it like more than 3 months of price action, just one candle. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So for us, how to find your bias with top-down analysis, but not the normal top-down analysis. I will give you uh, a, a different way of using top-down analysis, but it's the same thing, but it's much easier. So for top-down analysis, we always use high time frame. That's everyone knows it. After high time frame, we will move to medium time frame, as I told you before. There are people use that way till now, and we have lower time frame. For higher time frame, it can be weekly, monthly, it can be daily, and last higher time frame for me, it's 4 hours. And medium time frame would be 1 hour, 15 minutes, and 15 minutes. Lower time frame, from 5 to 1 and 3. That's all you know. So on higher time frame, We always look for analyze these time frames here, 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 here. Know your bias if you are bearish, so it's time to medium time frame. Look for setup with your high time frame. Okay. After that, look for entry on lower time frame here. That's all I do from my start trading till now. That's the normal way. But some people try to do the analysis but without any idea. Like he analyze here and here and here and here and he change to here every time frame. And at the end he have a lot of ideas and at the end he lose. Even if he is good in analysis, he is right. He has good information. He is good trader, but the way of trading is not good. But he is good. He can he he did the right bias, but he got the wrong entry. But he is good. It's about the way. If you understand, if you find the best way of you trading, if you trading or find an trades or something like that, everything will come to result. But if you are good but you don't have a good way of trading, you will lose. You know about top-down analysis, but sometimes you use it wrongly. You don't use it in the right way. You need to put your time frames in sections. One for high time frame to know your bias, which is the last one is for hour. Once you wrote for hour, find your bias. You will not analyze again on these. All you need is to look for setup with your high time frame on these. After that, it's time to look for entry here. That's all. So, same thing of USD time. If you start from here, it says that you start from the candle on weekly. From the candle on weekly here. Okay. If you look at the price lead you have, it's here. Above that one, that one. We don't target it external or not. We don't care. We just need to know where we are. Okay. After that, what's the liquidity you have? I have that SLQ from here. That's my liquidity. So what that mean? That mean I will look for buy, target that one. So why price give me a reaction from here? Because that reaction will be from daily price lead, which is from here to here. If you change to daily, you will find different thing. I will show you that, but I need you to understand that you have SL2 here. All you need is to look for buy, target that one. If you look at that one here, that's more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I think it's 12 weeks. It's more than, I think it's 4 months. 4 months of the price action on the same price lead. Okay, that's it. SL2. You will look for sell above that one. And let's say the price reach here. Like that. Price reaches at SL2 from here. You will look for your higher time frame reaction now. What's my recent lead above that candle? It's here and here. And if you look at liquidity, it's SL2 and it's equalized with that one. That's my supply zone. Like that wick. So you will look for sell here till here. Okay. It give you a small sell, can be for 2 days. But if you go to monthly, if you go to monthly, you will find that you have the price lead from here like that. You will find that you have from here to the monthly candle. You have that high, you have that low, and that one it's SLQ for that high. So the best one on weekly is to review a small reaction from here, then target that high. Everyone understands that?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you target that SLQ on monthly, it can give you a small reaction for downside. That small reaction means one monthly candle. One monthly candle means 20 days of trade. That's all you need. After that, if you look at monthly, after that bearish candle, I need everyone to tell me what is your nearest price lead to that bearish candle here. Just mark it.
You are.
Yes, from here to that candle, nearest to that one. That one, forwardy, that one, it's near to that candle. But once you are here, it's that one. From here to here. Okay? So you have that one. That one if you are here. But when you are here now, that one it's done. You are here. You are near to that. Everyone understand?
Yes.
Okay, if you have something like that, if you are here, you will choose that one. But once price move like that, you are in that one. Someone will tell me, but if I am bearish, price will do that. Yes, we know, but we don't care about that on high time frame because we just need a small reaction on high time frame to know your price. We know that, let's say that the target is to take that one. Let's say that the target is to take that one. You have that high, you have that low. Does that mean that I will not use that one? No, you will use that one because a small reaction on that small bracelet will give you one candle at least. One candle means 1 month of reaction. 1 month means 4 weeks. Like that's 20 days. If you just try to catch swing trades, you know your bias. So we don't care if price target is external or not. We just try to understand where we are. We don't care about direction on monthly or weekly, and also on daily. We just try to understand where we are in the market with price ranges, or structure, or swing points, or leads, or these just names. So we are here with that candle, and if I choose the nearest lead, it's from here and here. If I look as liquidity, I have the slit Q. It's the last demand zone when
Omar,
I try to buy.
so can
Okay.
I
Yes.
ask a question?
Okay.
So in regards to yeah, yeah. So in regards to the SLQ, so wouldn't that be part of it as well or no?
For bracelet,
For the SLQ.
slit Q, it's far from
Why
the price now.
okay, so it's okay, so okay,
And
I'm with
also
you.
from here, if you are here, you will choose that one as a slit Q. For that reason, I told you choose the nearest for you. We are here.
So this would be what's it called? IDM and then this will be
Yes.
SLQ, yeah?
That will be the
Okay.
SMT if you want to try to buy from here, but price stopped the liquidity give you a reaction for upside. But what if price
Okay.
give me a small reaction like that, then go down to here? So for now, that will be the SLQ. I will look for buy. What if price
Okay.
go down
Okay.
again? That will be the SLQ. I will look
Okay.
for buy. At the end, this small reaction, it's 1 month candle.
Mm,
It's 20 days of uh, of reaction. That's what we need. We don't care about. For that reason, I said just care about what you have for now. Okay?
okay.
Because if you just think I have SL2 here and here and here, what's the best one I will use? For me, in that one, I choose what I have now. What I have now is price towards that liquid. But if price go down, I will choose that one. If price go down again, I will choose that one. And also maybe price can
Okay.
do that. Price can go up, creating equal lows, which give you an idea to use that one. Then I go down.
Mhm.
For that reason, I told you, let the price give you the information and let the price update you. Okay.
Yeah.
So for now, we have that SLQ. You have 1 month of price action. That candle done now. We have that candle. If I look for the nearest price lead, it will be from here to that candle. Okay. It's not clean on that's the nearest one I have, that high with that low. It's not clean on monthly, so you can do to weekly. If you go to weekly, what you will find from here. Let's say that you are in that bearish candle. If you look at the price lead, we can't use that high with that low because we just have the bearish candle. So I will look at the left. If I look at the left, what I have, price towards that one, which made that one as my low, that one as my low. That's my SLQ, which is equal lows with that one. That's what made the price lead is my lead now. I will buy below that one. After that, I have that bullish candle. After I have the bullish candle, what that mean? I am here now. I am on the bullish candle. What is my price lead? So don't tell me. Yes, you have that one to that one. So that one will be an eyelet tube. So I will have another weekly bullish candle to target that eyelet tube. Okay. After the bullish candle happen, what's my price lead now? After that candle, same thing. You have that high, you have that low. Where is the liquidity? Nothing here. The only BOI it's here. So I am bullish again till here. After that, I am inside that BOI. That's my candle here. If you look at the left, maybe from here like that, that's my candle. So I am bearish, as you can see. If I try to look for sell from that supply zone, that's my high, that's my low. If I look as liquidity, never. I don't have any liquidity inside the price level. What that mean? That mean maybe price can react from here to go down. Maybe price can touch that high as a liquidity. So what I do, weekly will not help me in that case because I don't know if the next candle will be bearish or bullish because I don't have liquidity here. If I have liquidity, I know that next candle will be bearish. So in that case, I will go to monthly because weekly will not help. If I go to monthly, what I will have, you will have that one. As you can see, you have that high here, you have that low. If you look at the liquidity, that's my liquidity here. It's a slit U for that high. So I am bullish to take that slit U. So the rest of the week or of the month, I am bullish to take that one as a slit U. I am in that candle now. After the bullish candle, I am here. If I look for the price lead, what I will have that one from here to here, and that will be liquidity. After that liquidity happen, after that slit U sweep, like that, I can look for sell of that slit. After that, price give me a small reaction for the week, then going up. After that, what I have, okay, let's focus on that weekly candle, that monthly candle, because someone will tell me why after that liquidity sweep from here happen, price didn't give you a bearish candle. No problem. You will not stick to monthly only. We'll go to weekly too. Once you go to weekly, price give you from here, price to liquidity, give you a small reaction, then price come back to that candle from here. After that candle sweep, what's my price lead? I will zoom out to see. If I zoom out like that, what I will have, you will have that high from here, and the SLQ in that high, it's here. If you understand that,
Yeah.
okay, so we have, that's what I have on the weekly, high and low, that's the SLQ for that high. So I know the price will just give me a small reaction before going up, like what price did, give me a small reaction, weekly candle, then after the price use the nearest strong low here, which is that candle, going up and into towards that liquidity. After that one, after price towards the liquidity with that candle. What's my price lead? You will look at the left again. As you can see, my price lead, I have that one, which is supply zone, like that. And as you can see now, that's my price lead and the reaction for downside. You are here after that candle towards the equity, that one. What you have that one as a slit U, which is here, that wick. So you are bullish, fill that one. If you understand that, if you understand,
Yeah. Yeah.
if I choose that one, that high, the slit U will be here with that small wick, and I am bullish till here. For now, I am inside that BOI. Once I am inside the BOI, I need to check monthly because I need to see if that BOI is the right one to give me a reaction or not. I just check monthly. If I check monthly what I see, I will find that you are inside something like that, and the main price lead you have it's here. And this highs is just equal highs as you can see. So I think the price will to these highs first before giving me broad reaction to downside. So just one monthly candle for upside, monthly candle for downside, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. That's all you have. You understand for now.
Yeah.
On monthly for now we are here.
Yes.
On monthly for now we are here.
I have good.
Because there is no liquidity
F
to take. Yes, there is no liquidity to take, right? Okay, what you have?
no. I have question. From where can I enter the trade if this PY get
If
the
you took
price
liquidity
get
from here, or if you
yeah
have from
from
supply
where
zone.
can
No, I will explain. I will explain every time frame till now. I just for
ah
now on one time frame. Don't worry. Okay,
okay
I will explain how to tell the trade. So we are here for now. So we know the price will give me a reaction, but because you are on high time frame like that, monthly, you took high time, you took monthly high. If you go to daily, you will have the same thing. If you go to weekly, you will have the same thing because they have the same low. So no need to analyze every time frame. But if you have every different information every time frame, like I am weekly here, side price like that, and when I go to daily, I have that, I have something like that. So you can analyze every time frame. But when all time frames have the same thing, the same high, that's the all time highs. Monthly to weekly to daily to 4 hours. So no need to analyze every time frame. Because they just give you the same thing. But when every time frame have different information, like I have that daily high, daily low, I am here. And if I go to 4 hour, I will have that I have a high here, low here. 1 hour, I have a high here, low here. So you will have more information. But if price did that, so for now, you took daily low, which is 4 hour low, which is 1 hour low. You have the same thing. Okay. For now, if I look for the price lead, I have it's here. From here to here. What is the liquidity? Someone tell me. Yes, that is let you. So next monthly candle, Embrace till here. So below that one, what I will do, I will look for buy. So maybe next month, maybe that month, next week, I mean, price can give me 2 days or 1 week of bearish price action. After that, I will have maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks of bullish price action. After that, if I reach here, I will have another price signal, which it can give me a small reaction for downside from that IBA. After that, I have that one now. It can give me one candle for monthly. Yes, can be a tool enough if you use that way. Okay, if you understand every time frame, you can trade one day. So for now, that's my liquidity. I am bearish till here. But because that's a monthly liquidity, maybe price can give me a small reaction. As you can see, if you look at that small reaction on weekly candle, it's a lot of trades on low time frame, like 15 minutes. So percent I analyze monthly. I always analyze monthly at the first day of every month, and I analyze weekly at the beginning of every week. I analyze daily at the beginning of every day. So on Monday, you analyze from weekly, but the day after Monday, you start from daily only because you know your weekly bias. So if your weekly is bullish, if you start from Monday and from weekly and you know that your weekly is bullish, so from Tuesday you will analyze from daily. The day in which you find that you are bearish, you are bullish here on weekly. The day you find that you are bearish, that means it's counter. But the day you find that you are bullish, you can hold it with the weekly bias. If you understand that idea,
Yes.
for that reason I
Yeah.
always put an unshorted steer, right weekly is what, and daily is what. And every day I change my daily bias, but the weekly is the same thing till I sweep my higher time frame liquidity or higher time frame target like monthly. So I will write here that I am bearish. That's monthly bearish. So I know that if I touch any trade on lower time frame bearish, I will hold it. If I touch any lower time frame bullish, I will not hold it. It will be a counter. And once price hit your liquidity, you will change that bias on monthly to bullish. Because for now you will have that one after price to just imagine the price to that weekly monthly wait from here. So you have that low, you have that high, you have empty price action here. Em- that's imbalance. So price can give you one candle for upside. Okay. So I am bearish now. I am bearish to keep that one. That's on monthly. I will go to weekly and analyze what I see again.
Omar, I have a question.
Yes.
Okay, I agree that this is the SLQ
Okay.
after price. There is gonna be a small reaction, but that's not my concern because there is no liquidity
Yeah.
downside
That's why
anymore.
I
So
I
that's the
expect that you will ask the same
confirmation
thing.
of the bullish.
I know that you will ask
Uh-huh.
the question. Do you have anything here to buy from instead of that SLQ? No, the only thing you have here is
Uh,
that
n-
SLQ and that imbalance, right?
yes,
For that, let's say the price creates that one. After price creates that one, you will look at the price again. You are here now, right?
yes.
So
Uh-huh.
if you use the same price lead, which is here to here, you will find the price give you more information now. That's the creation of liquidity. That is the BR.
Okay.
So don't rush. Just trade what you see. Price give me
Yes.
more. I
Yeah.
will do that.
Yeah.
And if I have another idea like that, like creating liquidity, you don't have creating liquidity now. So wait till price give you
Yeah,
something like that and update yourself.
that was my mistake. That was my mistake because in this case, even the time frame is it.
No,
This
don't
is
rush the
for
process.
me
Just
bullish. Yeah, that was my mistake. I am confirming now what is my
yes,
mistake in
just
the trading
analyze what you
session.
see and let a price give you
Okay.
just one candle here, one bullish candle can give you more information. That one bullish candle, it's a build up for that one.
Yes.
So I know that from that IBA I can sell again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so just
Yeah. Yeah.
analyze what you see on high time frame and
No
don't care about
anticipate.
yes, don't care about any scenario because 100% the information price give you will give you what you need. So if
Mm-hmm.
price give you a build-up
Perfect.
liquidity, you will know that you have a build-up liquidity. But for now, we don't know. For now, we will use the SLTU concept. But after that, we will use the build-up inducement concept. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
Perfect.
trade
Thank you.
trade what price give you. Don't create scenario. Just trade the scenario you have. For now, I have that as an IB as an imbalance. I will trade from that imbalance at least. Once price reach here, I will not use weekly or daily or 4 hour. I will go to 5 minute. Or you can use weekly, daily, 4 hour for one thing, for refinement. Okay, you can use them for refinement. But you will not find the analysis because you have the same thing. You are in the same point. You have the same price lead here, same thing on weekly, same thing on daily. That's all you need. So for now, I am bearish to take that SLQ. If I go to weekly, what I am here. What's my nearest price lead I have? Someone annotate. Okay, from here to here. What's the equity I have? It's the same thing like weekly, right? Yes, it's equal loss. Build up equity, let's cycle. So below that one, I will look for buy. So I know on weekly I am also bearish to take that one. If I go to daily now, what's my recent price lead? Nothing here, so zoom out. You are here now. What's my price lead you have? That low with the high, which yes, it's right where the remark. So what's my liquidity here now? It's that SLTU. Okay, for now that's SLTU, and if you are here, that will be your liquidity. Yes, if you are here, that will be your liquidity. But you know that liquidity from here will just give you a small reaction for upside, but your main target is here. You know that if you do it 1 hour, you will find the price 100% give you a reaction from here. Yes. After that, continue with the move for downside. That can be for day trading, that can be with the pro trend. Everyone understands that?
Yes.
And for now, you are here. So my next target is that SLQ with that low. We know that SLQ will just give me a small reaction for upside before giving me a reaction for downside. So I think the price towards the SLQ. Yes, price towards the SLQ now. You can look for some buys, but once you find an opportunity for sell, you will do that. If you look for R, analyze the same thing. I think you will have the same thing like daily, so no need to analyze for R. Yes, it's an SLQ like daily, so no need to analyze for R. All I need for now is to look for setup, for bullish on lower time frame. I don't need medium time frame now. Why? Because I am on the same point on all time frames. On daily, you have the same point. Weekly, you have the same point. 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, you have the same point. All you need for now is to look for entry. I just use medium time frame if I am in the middle. If I am in the middle, like if price move like that and I am still bullish, I need medium time frame to find the asset. But if you are on the beginning of the BOI or the level of liquidity, you just need to find an entry. If you understand that, okay, no problem. So if you
Yeah.
look 5 minutes, you will find a trade for the day like that. Price move, give you an entry. What you can target? For me, I will target any liquidity here like that. Split you. Why not that one? Because you are bearish. Every strong high is protected. Every strong high is protected. So you will not target any high because you are bearish for long term. All you need is to target the lower time frames. Liquidity like that. And from here, you can look for a sell again with the higher time frame. As I told you, if you are counter, target the small liquidity. If you are with the trend, hold the trade. So if you are bearish like that, you react from weekly BY here, weekly SLTU, IDTU. You know that 100% price will do at least do that IBA. If price do that only? No, price will not do that only. Sometimes price will do that. But if price breaks that high, you know for now that you will use the bigger one. It's time to look for buy till here now, and after that you will look for the bait sell till here. You understand that? What if price breaks that high? If price breaks that high, that means the order flow on 5 minutes it's done, like that, and it's time to use high time frame. You can do it 1 hour. You will use that one now. From here to here. As I told you, price to that one as I let you, and you can look for a bit sell now. You understand that?
Yes.
But that high is protected, 100% it's protected. But if price broke it, no problem. You will take the loss, but at the end you will understand the whole bias. Okay? For that reason, you need to accept the losses. Something like that. I don't know if that one will be the strong high or that one. I will use the recent. But if price break my recent, at the end I catch a buy and I will look for the better one now. So if you have strong high like that, strong high, and price break one, that's 1 hour. If you do it for hour, you will find something like that. All these is one leg like that, and all this is one leg like that. So you are here now. You break the order flow on 1 hour to have the order flow in 4 hours. So how to know if that order flow will work or not? We don't know. We just react. If someone tell you that you know that one will be a liquidity or not, he is a scammer. No one knows that. You are a trader, not a market maker. Okay? I will look for USD, okay, and I will look for UDG bar. No problem. Till now, everyone understand? For Wardi, for Andri, for
Yeah, yeah.
okay. So let's go to first send UDG boy. Sorry, he asked it first, and after that I will go to USD. GPY because we have the new week. So let's start from what okay, here. Okay, first send. I don't have any price list here. I just have a candle. I tend to choose that one. Why? Because it's just one candle. It's not three candle formation. We need three candles, that one, and we need the third candle to be closed to have that one. But for now, we can't. So what I will do, I will zoom out, we'll go to monthly. They are the same. But for me, because I am on weekly, I will zoom out to see what's my price list. Also from here, yes, that one, center price swept is that one. It's almost swept. It's a go to monthly better. Yes, if I go to monthly, what I have, that's my price list. From here to the high. What's my liquidity here? It's that SLQ. It's the ILTU inside that price list. Low, high. It's a monthly ILTU. Okay. Someone will tell me, but I don't have liquidity here. So that candle can be a better liquidity for that one. Okay. So for now, what I have, yes, that can happen. So for now, I have that IBA. IBA is mitigated, so no need to use that IBA now. Price stop that SLQ, which is liquidity for that UI. So for now, price stop the SLQ. If I am in with that reaction, I will look for buy. But because price react for now and go up, so I think for now the price creating equal lows like that, and price will go down. That's what I have now. So next month I am bearish to take these equal lows right from the BY, and I need one candle for upside. Okay, everyone understands that. So that reaction because of price towards that liquidity. So last week we can look for buy because we have that SLQ. But after price move, I have new information now. What's the price lead I have? It's here and here. What's the liquidity? It's these equal lows. So I am pressuring. So let price give you the more information, let price update your analysis. Everyone understand that? For Charles, you understand?
Yeah, understand.
So I am pressured here. I will go to weekly, analyze it again. I think the price, yes, it's an equal lows. And I have the same thing on weekly. So nothing here on weekly. It's like monthly. So let's go to daily. If I do for trace, that's not a price lead on weekly. But if you go to daily, it's a price lead. Okay, because you have second information. But here it's nothing. Here weekly, it's like monthly. You look at the left. Understand? Here now. What's the price lead we have? Someone on it? Yes. Okay, I have that high. Can I choose that high?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
because it's also nearest.
Yeah.
It's also near. So no need. You know, it's high time frame. If you choose that high or that high, at the end you have a price lead. Yes. That BI, it's not important for us now for Trace. It's not important. We don't care. After that, look at liquidity you have. What's the liquidity you have? Nothing here. What price create? Liquidity here. What is the nearest BI? IBA. So that's what we have now. So what if price did that? Go down like that. So that can be liquidity again for that IBA. Then we can go up again. But we don't have information for that now. We just have information for IBA. But if price move, we can look. Okay. So that's what I have now. I am bullish to take this liquidity. So let's load for hour to see what we have. If I load for hour now, what's the price lead I have? Yes, that one. Yes. If I am here with that bullish candle, that will be my price lead. What's my liquidity? That is LTU. What I can do, look for some sales, like price did. No, bro. Don't mark the BI without the liquidity. If you are here, if you are in the bullish candle, the price lead will be here and here. What's the liquidity for the candle? It's that SLQ. Above that SLQ, imbalance. So I will look for sell. After that, price create a price lead 10 here. What's my liquidity here? It's that one. Below that one, I will look for buy. For now, if I am here, I will choose that price lead. But I am here now. So what is the price lead we have? Someone tell me. No, that's not a price lead because you don't have a BOS. BOS is important. No, because you are not here. You are here. Yes, that one. Light Caesar Moya Mark. That's the nearest available price lead you have, which is here. The liquidity now is that equal highs. Everyone understand?
Yes.
The
Yeah.
equity now is this equal highs, and you have that one here. With that one here. This is the equal highs we have. Someone will tell me, Why you said that is equal highs and you said before the price stood at SLQ? Yes, because you are here. I am here. I was here, so price stood that one. But when I am here, I found that at least it's almost support line, resistance line. I have new information, but here the only information I have is that SLQ. But now I have more price creating resistance line. So the liquidity is here. Okay. And because I am bearish on daily to take that liquidity I sent, take the equal lows. So the best thing is to sell from above that one, which is the IBA on daily, which is here. I can look for sell from that one now, going down. I can hold the trade till here because I am with high time frame bias. So maybe next week price will move like that. That can be for 1 week. Or maybe price will do that. Maybe price give you one strong move like that, which make you think that you are here now, and that will be my STTU. I will look for sell above that one. Just let the price to ride your your way of trading or your zones to mark. Okay, that's all we have now on. Yes, if there is not a BOS, there is not a price lead. It's just a pullback. You should have a BOS because BOS is confirm the high and the low. If you have something like that and you are here, you can choose that one because there is no BOS. But if you have a BOS from here, you can choose it. But here nothing. So I will choose something high. Understand? You understand that?
Yes, yes.
For a Charles, you understand the analysis. That's all for you.
Yeah, understand. Thank you.
Okay. So for Euro USD, start from weekly because we have a new week. It's that one. Explain something. On weekly, nothing. So I can go to monthly. If I go to monthly, what's the next price lead I have? No. How you choose that one? Forward to that one. The low is here. Did price move like that? Or price move like that? Forward? Yes, it's like that. So from here, that's the high. And if I choose that high, you are in that high bro. Once you are in the high, try to look if that high will work or not. Because if you are here, you think that high will work. But if you are on the high, see if that high will work or not. If I look at the bigger one, I will see that high is just a liquid. Who choose that high? Someone mark that one. Who marked that high?
I
Yes.
did.
Who made it right?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. So when you are here, so the high you want to reach, it's valid. But once you are in, try to look at it again because maybe price will update your information. And once I look at it, I see that price update me with that one. That's an SLQ for the price lead.
Okay.
Okay. So from here, that's my SLQ. If I am here, once my price lead, that SLQ, I will look for buy. If I am here, That's my SLTU. I will look for buy. If I am here, I will choose that one to that one. That's my BI to target. Price didn't leave me a reaction. Once price reach my BI, I will look for the price again. I found that I have that one, was that one, and that's an SLTU for the bigger one. Slight ILTU, high, low, that's an ILTU. Price for now took the ILTU and took my high, which led me to choose that one. All these in one monthly price lead. All this is monthly candles. Just imagine how you have the same thing. You can have that range for another year or 2 years with same thing. Your price can do that and do that and do that. You have the same thing. So all you need is to
Omar,
understand what
one question. If for example, if we are here, wo- you you should say that this is the leg.
for me, yes, because if that candle is still
Yeah.
running,
This is
the
a
candle,
BOS, right?
yes, if that candle is still running, it's not closed. If that third candle is still running, is not closed, I will choose that one. I will choose that one
Okay.
because still running means that you still don't have C candle formation. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
but if the candle closed, so you have that one, and the liquidity will be here, the nearest one.
Mm-hmm.
The IBA will be the BY. Once price reaches IBA, what I found, I am here and here. That can be my STQ. It's like that. Understand?
Yes, yes, because it's a three candle formation, but
Yes.
in lower time frame
It can be
should
a
be an
yes.
MSU.
Yes.
Okay.
So for now, that's a liquidity. And for a BI, for Christoph, he choose that as a BI. But for me, when I have higher time frame liquidity like that, I don't care about the BI. I just trade it directly. So above that one, it's an SLQ. I will look for some sales for downside, maybe to reach that IBA, maybe to reach one more time frame, something like that. Go to weekly. So we know that we are bullish on here. If you go to weekly, you will look for the price lead. You don't have anything below, just have the low, you don't have a high. So you will zoom out. Once you zoom out, you find that you have a high here with that SLTU, which gives you the reaction for Friday. Price to the SLTU react from here. So I am on a higher time frame BR. Do you think that I need 4 hour now or daily? No. If I use them, I will use them for refinement because I am on higher time frame BI. So all time frames have the same thing. So daily will just give you a refinement like yes, just give you a refinement, something like that. That's a BI is out from here. Maybe above that candle also. That would candle. That's my BI. You can go to lower time frame now directly. You can also refinement on 4 hour as well, right? Here. So what you have that one. What the liquidity you have, it's here now. And above that one, you can trade like that. If you want to risk more, you can choose that one. But that one, it's far from. So I will choose that one. That's the best for me. But you can choose that one. But I don't I don't know if price will respect that one or not because maybe price will do that. And if you are lucky, price will do that. For that reason, I don't choose BOIs or something like that with lot. I have information here. That's the last point. So above the last point, I will look for sell. If you can do it 1 hour to refine, but 1 hour is for medium time frame setups, so I will end my refinement in 4 hours. But if you need to do it 1 hour, you will find some liquidity here. You can use that BOI. So selling from here is right, selling from here it's also right, but maybe you will miss the trade. You will understand that. And just price respect to my level and respect your level. For now, we can do it 5 minutes. Look for sell, and you know the sell is just lower time frame counter trend. You are still bullish. So once you have a strong low, respect it. From here, the liquidity for me, it will be that one. That's the late cycle. I will just look for sell like that. Price creating the low, creating the high. You sell from here like that. And from here, if you look at 15 minutes, you have the strong low from here. That's the high. Price creating liquidity like that. The first thing, price creating liquidity below that one. Creating a lot of equal lows. So below that one, you can look for entry on our time frame, like 1 minute, something like that. Targeting this highs. Yes. What if price? The nearest BY for us below that one here. It's that imbalance, not that IBA, because that IBA it's full. But price give you one strong move for downside. So the nearest BY now is the IBA. You can look for buy. What if price did that? What if you try to look for buy from here and the price did that? If price breaks the 15-minute order flow, it's time to use the bigger one, which is on 1 hour or 4 hours. It will be like that here. I have that one, but if you do it 4 hour again, you have the same seat and formation. The seat and formation give you that one instead of that one. Check all time frames. Check all time frames till you have seat and formation. So once price break your MSU, check all time frames till you have something like that. That's what I did here. I have low, that's my high, and I have a low here. It is the best one. If I do it 4 hour, what I have, that's a seat and formation here with a seat and formation here. So that's my price lead now. You understand that idea?
Yeah.
One more time, please, bro.
Okay. When you have something like that, high, another high, and price just break your recent high here, your recent low. For now, you have that one and that one. Let's say the price break your that one here. So what you will do? You will use that one. But once price break a order flow on lower time frame like that, that means the price try to create another seat and formation on our time frame. So we wanted to know what time frame which give you the seat and formation. If you do it 1 hour, it give me another MSU like 15 minutes. If you do it 15 minutes, it give me an MSU. 1 hour MSU. 4 hour, it's a seat and formation here, with seat and formation here. Understand? You will tell me, but that can be an MSU too. Okay, go to daily. You go to daily, you will find that you have something like that. That will be the low. Once price break, you will find that you have a bigger candle with bigger wick. But the best thing here is the seat and formation. Here and here. Understand?
Yeah.
So once price break your order flow on any time frame, go to step by step higher to find two seat and formation. Because once price break your order flow, that means the price try to create a time frame seat and formation. Price try to print better stop loss like that. Price break you, that means price try to print better stop loss. If you choose the same thing on 1 hour, you didn't change. You just change the low, but you didn't change the high. You need to change the high to have the better thing. You can understand?
Yes, in this case, for example, i- this is the leg.
Yes. To look
Yeah,
for the
but
level.
here there is no a BOS, but
Here you have a
this
BOS
is the liquid. Ah, that okay.
because you will choose
But
that
in
one
this case,
once
three candle formation. Okay, yeah,
price breaks that
that's
one.
the
You have a low,
yes,
you have a high.
yes,
Okay. So you will choose that one now. That will be a liquidity. That will be an
liquidity.
IBA. I will look for buy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
But if you do it 1 hour, look you have what you have. You have from here a low. You have from here a high. You have from here a low. So it's the same thing like 15 minutes. You have the same low, the same high, which gives you the BOS. So 15 minutes is like 1 hour. I didn't change anything.
Mm-hmm.
But I need to find the one which price break. I need to see it in a second information, which is here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That give you an idea now to choose that one instead of that one, or instead of the one or on 1 hour. Okay. So the order flow which you brought in lower time frame, you will go to higher time frame till you see the break as a second formation. Once you find it, you choose the low on the same time frame to that second formation like that. I choose that one instead of that one, which is on 1 hour.
Okay. Would you explain about the how to break the order flow?
Like that. I mean break order flow which break your recent strong low. Once price break your recent strong low, that means your recent point of price to going up, it's broken. Which means for now the price try to create better pullback. On 1 hour, you have the same break, nothing to change. But on 4 hour, you have second information creation. You understand? So it's like that.
Yes.
Let's say you have a high, price create low, a low, another low, another low. That's your recent high to respect, and price did that. That means for now, the time frame you are in, it's done. I need to find the second information of that one. Because once price creates the second information here, that means the price try to create the low for the bigger high. I can choose that one now. Because that one will be protected if that one will be protected. But once the protected point is broken, the bigger one will be the one we should use now. You understand?
Yeah. In this case, because you are bearish.
Yes. But for
Mm-hmm.
now we are not bearish. For now you
Yeah,
respect the low.
we are bullish. Yes.
Yes. For now you respect the low. What you will do now, for me, next week I will look for some buy still here. Okay? Someone will tell me, but I have that high, I have that low. Can I look for sell to take that low first? For me, yes. Why? Because I have liquidity here. I have liquidity here. And if I am bullish, if I am with the trend, what that mean? That mean I should have a strong move here. But look at that move. It's not stronger the bullish one. That one. If you are bullish with the weekly light, if you take that one with the weekly time frame, you should find candles like that. But it's just a pullback. What that means? That means the price try to take that low. Price try to take that one to respect the better one on weekly 4 hour. Sorry. And also another idea. Look at 4 hour here. That's one candle strong low. You have just one candle to go up. And you know, price will not respect something like that. It's like retail trader. Just the recent POS for upside, they just will look for buy for me. But that can be an highly for us. So the best thing is to look for sell, target that one, after that I will look for buy. You understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. So also in 1 hour, you still have that IP not integrated, which give you another idea to sell till here, not buy till here. Also that wick, these candles, it's like virtual candles. So lot of idea tell me sell is better.
Yeah, for example, in this case, Omar, we have this, we are here, right? And so this is the leg, okay? So price took the SLQ,
And give you a pullback, but you know that you are bearish.
yeah, yeah.
So you will
So
use that one.
here, yeah, okay.
Understand?
In the case, yeah, and I have this SLQ.
Yes, you have that one now. You want
So,
to wait on 15 minutes. You have that
mhm,
SLQ. You will look for sell confirmation from here. What if price towards that SLQ? You will sell from here because you don't know which
mhm.
one will give you the reaction. But for me, the best is to sell from that IB here, from that imbalance here first, like we have now, because that's the nearest thing to the liquidity. But if no reaction, so the next point will be here. Understand?
Yeah, and this is broke, we can look for sales.
Yes, if price give you a reaction on more time
Yeah,
frame, like another price split, high and low, with BOS, you can look for sell. If not,
yeah.
something like that, okay, that will be another liquidity. And after that, we will look for sell in here, push confirmation. For that reason, I always trade with confirmation, not direct entry, because you don't know which
Yeah.
VI will give you the reaction.
Mhm.
Okay, but if we are here, what we will do, we will buy from here with the higher time frame, which is weekly. But once we come here, I analyze again. That's a new day. I found that I have the impression that move it's not a good move to buy from to split the pro trend. So I think that I will look for another sell, target that one, and once price breaks that one now, it's time to use the bigger order flow. Understand? Bigger order flow in 4 hour,
Yes.
which is here for now. Let's imagine that we are here. The price broke that one. What is the liquidity we have? If someone chooses that one, you are wrong. Why? Because you are here. The nearest liquidity you have is here. So below that one, you will look for buy. But if price do that, so you are here. That will be the liquidity. That will be the BY. If you understand that, here that's not a point of liquidity. Here that's a point of liquidity. Once price breaks that one, that means it's an eyelet you. That means I look for buy. If you understand, if you understand, just
Yes, sir.
say yes or put anything.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we have a low, we have a high. If price breaks that one,
Sorry, sir. Can I ask a question? Sorry. Did we always check the liquidity when we have a market a pattern like this, just the way it started coming down? Do we always look for liquidity below to take before the trade continuation?
in that price lead here, do you have any liquidity?
Yes, it's
No,
just that one.
you
This
just
only this one.
yes, only that one. So from here you will look for buy. That's the first buy.
Okay.
What if price did that? So
You
the
say if
next
we
point
fail,
is here,
then we
and next point of buy is here. The IB For that
Yeah.
reason, we don't know which one will give you a reaction. But I have probabilities for that. I have ILTU, which is that one. That's the MSU BOS, and same thing. It's the ILTU for the BOS for the structure. So below that ILTU, I will look for buy. If no reaction, so it's time to take that liquidity here, which is above of that IBA. I would buy again. What if price
Okay.
didn't give me a reaction? I will look for another buy from here. Okay,
Yes.
we don't care. We don't care. Just buy, put your break even, nothing. Buy, put your break even. Maybe price from here. We don't have a liquidity here, so maybe we can touch another sale from here. It's a risky trade, but maybe it will work. Trade that IBA, same price will go up. But we can't choose that one like that for now because you don't have liquidity to that one. So if you choose it, it's nothing. You don't have a reason to use that one, but you have a reason to buy from here. If not, if no reaction like that, if price did something like that, you will buy from here. Okay, after price reacted from here like that, so what you have, I don't have liquidity here. So maybe price from that IBA is the building of liquidity to that IBA. You have a lot of scenarios inside any price led. For that reason, I don't think. I just react to what price give me inside that lid. The only thing I have now is to take that I let you, then buy. If price give me strong move for downside like that, so it's time to use that IBA. And that IBA, we don't have liquidity. So we know that IBA will just give me a small reaction after price reach here, like that. If you look at the bullish one from here, like that, and imagine you have something like that. What's the liquidity you have? Nothing here. The only liquidity you have, it's here. What I can do, sell again, take that IBA, and buy again. That's it. Once price move, give you more information, give you different view. Okay? Everyone understand?
Yes.
Yes. It's
No.
understood.
No. Moro.
Okay. What?
عمر, I need to go to Moscow.
Okay, no problem.
Can you explain the confirmation for the entry? I will
Did you
watch
watch the video of
video.
confirmation entry?
Yeah. But I don't understand
What you don't
because
understand yet?
I am on PY on high time frame. Let's say on 15
Wait,
minutes.
wait, wait. You understand confirmation or not? We don't talk about BI now. We talk about
No, no,
confirmation.
no, no,
You don't understand confirmation entry?
no.
What thing you don't understand in it?
Uh, all.
Whole thing? Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
I will explain it again. Or maybe we can do another session together. Because if I explain it again,
Okay.
everyone here know it.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
doing the session with you,
Uh,
it's better. Once you come
yeah.
back from the mosque, tell me.
Uh, Maybe 30 minutes,
Okay?
and
Okay, no
I
problem.
come back.
I am free. I am
Okay.
free.
I will send you a message.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So let's continue. Let's find another analysis. Can you explain for all? For me, no problem. Okay. Okay. For entry. So let's make it. Let's explain it. Okay. So for everyone, what's the thing you don't understand in entry? Okay, let me tell you. Everyone is good with BOS.
Yeah.
For everyone here.
Huh?
For BOS, you just need to find two things. MSU for the high, MSU for the low, liquidity, and the BOI. once price mitigate your BI here. So if you have a high without the low, don't trade. You need to find a completed lead to find a trade. So if price did you a BI like that and price give you something like that, don't trade. You need to find a pullback. That pullback can be C candle formation or MSU. After that, you can touch a sell. If you understand, that's for
Do you
price.
always look into it?
What?
I said, do you always look for confirmation entry on
Yes,
all the trade?
100%. I don't enter direct. I just enter direct from the confirmation entry. Like that, I put limit here.
Okay. Maybe that could be my problem.
Okay.
Oh,
Because
so it
you
doesn't
are
have
a
to be.
trader, you don't know which is the real point of liquidity. So
Yes.
if you find anyone enter direct in the market from a BOI, he just a scammer, as I told you. He just bought a lot of limits, and once one of them work, he send a screenshot. You are a trader, you are
But
a market maker. You don't know which BOI or which level will give you an interaction.
So do we have to wait for two MSUs or can we use free candle formation?
For entry, you need
Yes.
MSU for the high. But for the low, we don't care. It can be second formation
Okay.
or MSU.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. But for higher time frame, as I told you, we have four
Yeah.
types of price rates. Okay, we don't care also. But once we look for a confirmed lead with high time frame, if you look for a setup with a high time frame, you will look for two MSU. But for entry, we need the MSU for the high if you are bearish, or for the low if you are bullish. But we don't care about the weak point.
Okay.
Okay. Also for setups, sometimes you find something like that. If you look for setup on medium time frame, sometimes you find something like that high and the second formation low. You can use that one because you have the high now.
Yeah.
Sometimes you will
Thomas.
not find the MSU for the low.
Yeah.
that is on a very short rate, right?
What?
That is if your trend is bearish.
If yes, if the trend is bearish or bullish. If you
Okay.
you analyze four types on high time frame, and you will choose one of these types also on medium time frame. Or you can focus on the confirmed one with medium time frame. But for me, I choose what price give me. But the only thing I know is the direction. If I am bearish, I will look for one of these setups, one of these four ranges, but with the trend. Maybe second formation high, second formation low, maybe MSU, second formation low, maybe MSU high, MSU low. At the end, it's with the trend. Okay. Okay. So let's say that we have the trade on EU. We come from weekly PY, SLQ. We go to SLQ. If I go to 5 minutes, that's what you have. If you enter on 5 minutes, that's a BOS. Like that. Price go down, give you the BOS. Price go up, second formation. You should buy from here, sell from here, sorry. But what price did? Price go down again. What does that mean? Price create more liquidity. Problem with that. High, that's the confirmed high from here. That's a pullback, can be an ILQ. After that, price start to go up, take that ILQ. And for now, we have a confirmed BY. You can sell from that IBA. You can wait for candle, for bearish candle, to put a smaller stop loss, or you can, for me, I will put my stop loss here if I enter from that IBA. Or you can wait for a small candle like bearish candle, like something like that from here. But that bearish candle didn't close below my level. At least I should use the candle to close my level below my level here to enter sell, and I will put the SL above that wick of the candle. Same thing here. That's my BI. Price interacts from the IBA, and price give me a reaction from the BI. what if you choose that price lead from here to here and you don't know if that one will be the reaction from here or that one will be the reaction from here? We don't know. Okay, treat it like high time frame. Wait for reaction. So if you choose that IBA, wait for candle close below that IBA, bearish candle involvement or rejection candle. That rejection candle didn't close below that IBA, so it's not. But from that IBA, from that supply zone, like that, what price did? Price give you that rejection candle, so you can enter like that, and you can put your SL here. But why price hit your SL? Because you choose the first level here. Second level is here. Price close below your first level and react from your second level here. But for me, if I should to enter, I will not enter that one. I need someone to tell me why that one, that first reaction from that BOI, it's not good. Someone think and then tell me why that first reaction from that BOI is not good. If you need a solution, look at the BOI. Okay, that liquidity bro for Andy, it's for IBA. It's not for that one.
No. I mean, why it's bad? Because we have support level here, which is a IBA.
That's not our reason. We don't trade support and resistance. For me, that's a liquidity. For me,
I I think the price action is because the price action is not strong.
no.
These
The
two
reason
candle.
it's because you have a
Okay.
liquidity here. That's the IBA. You should sell from here, but no reaction. After that, price come to the supply zone. Do you have any liquidity for the supply zone?
No. No.
That one, it's not for the supply zone. That one, it's for the IBA. So once price
BA.
to it, it's not your liquidity. Don't depend on it to sell from the BY. For that reason, price need to create some liquidity or towards that one as a liquidity for the higher one. What price did? Price create a reaction for downside here. After that,
Price took the liquidity and mitigate the
yes,
POI to
yes,
go up again.
yes, you have
Okay.
price create the liquidity, which is the first move for downside. Price come back towards that one. After that, price give you an indulgent candle. That's your entry now. That rejection
Yes, I
candle,
saw the
it's a small one.
engulfing.
It's a small one. I will not enter from it. That's your indulgent candle now. You can enter after that indulgent like that. Put your SL above here or here. Here to give the price some move, some place to
So,
move.
sir, in the case of engulfing candle, there is no need to look for a confirmation, right?
After the indulgent candle, it's I just enter them. I enter with candles
Yes,
from
when we have an
the lower time
engulfing
frame.
candle confirmation, we don't need another like the trick, the
You can wait for
uh,
retracement. You can wait for indulgent candle like that and go to lower time frame, like 1 minute.
okay.
And that indulgent will it will be a new high. Something like that. It's a sweep BOS. You can enter from that
Okay, the
IB.
engulfing is just the BOS. Yes, I understand.
Okay.
Yes,
You can wait for
yes.
retracement or you can enter from that IB here. But that
Okay.
IBA here, it's nothing because we don't have liquidity. So that IBA is to create some liquidity to the higher IBA.
The engulfing
So
is usually the leg that rupture.
when you have something like that, but no liquidity here, so price will not sell from here because you don't have liquidity. If price did something like that, you can sell from here. But if not, so you have two scenario. Price can go down like that, then go up, sell, or price can go down like that, then go up, use the next level, then sell. That's what price did here. Price create liquidity from that one, go up, use that one, sell.
So that's a confirmation because this is the MSU, right?
That's
Yeah.
also an MSU. That's a failed
And you
BOS for downside.
and you are in the POI.
If you look at the BI, inside the BI here, that's a failed BOS for downside. Sweep, you can enter with any bearish candle here. Once price give you an indulgent after that one, like that, you can, like that candle, you can enter sell, like that. So that's the failed BOS, sweep, indulgent candle, enter. Understand? So for the MSU, price give you something like that.
Yes.
Failed BOS, sweep, indulgent candle, or rejection candle, sell. Some people will wait for that BOS. You are also right. Enter from here, it's right. Enter from here, it's safe. There is a big difference. As you like, if you like to risk here, if you risk, you are 100% right. If you risk from here, it's more severe than that one. It's safe. You enter after the POS. So someone will enter from here, someone will wait for the POS to happen, then enter from that IB again. Okay. So for entry,
Yes.
we look for a strong buy first. On the time frame you choose, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, as you like. The best send for me, it's 3 minutes, 5 minutes. I don't use 1 minute a lot. So always you will look for MSU high. If you are bearish, MSU low. And if you feel confused about any level you choose here, just look for candles. If you choose that one, you need to find bearish candle close below your level or rejection candle close below your level, then enter sell. If not, you will enter from here. Rejection candle close below your level, indulgent candle close below your level. That's that's all I use in entry. I don't use anything more than that. Okay? Everyone understand?
Yeah.
Yes, I clearly.
Or someone said for this, you can see 5 minute time frame and price create an imbalance. You can use the candle to follow the flow. What you mean? Can you draw to understand? For trace. Okay, okay, 5 minutes. Okay, where? Here. Okay. Yes, that's an involvement candle. You can enter from here, from that candle, like that. Put your sell here at least. Yes, that's right. Because you have involvement candle here. After that, if you look for sell again, that's the IBA. Look for sell. Okay, from here, and that can be the early tube. Price didn't leave me any reaction, so I will not look for sell. Once price didn't react from your level, don't think about what will happen after that. Anything that happen here, it's not our scenario, it's not our rules, we don't care. Okay, so for now, because we are on 15 minutes, we have two levels now. We have that one for sell, we have that one for sell. If nothing here, we need indulgent candle on because that's the price led 15 minutes. So we need indulgent candle on 15 minutes or at least on 5 minutes. So the price lead you choose your BIN, go to 5 minutes. We need at least a rejection candle or indulgent candle here. Then I will look for sell. If not, will be from here. And if price move like that, something like that, I need to find an enrollment tended close below my level or rejection tended close below my level. Any enrollment tended here didn't close below my level, I will not enter. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So let's find another pair to analyze. So what pair you need? We will not analyze gold because as you can see, gold is just bullish. So no need.
If you are GJ, sir.
Okay. So go to weekly. Try analyze it. Someone. Okay. So here, that's weekly. What is the price lead we have? I don't want anyone to tell me we have that one. You are not here. You are here now. What's the nearest price lead you have? Yes, okay. Who choose that one? No, you are here. You are in that one. How you can choose that one? You are on here, so you will choose something here. That low or that low? Because you are here now. If you are here, you will choose that one. Because price inside that. But if you choose here, that one, was that one price is outside that price level. But price inside that one. From here to here. So why I didn't choose that one? Because I see the price react from here. Once price react from my low, I need to see if that low is right or not. And if I choose that one, that will be the SLQ. So it's not right. The right is that one. You understand? Progress.
Yes, yes.
So for now, the best thing is to sell till here. If I am here, after the break, 100% I will choose that one. Because I still didn't have reaction. But once I have reaction, so that low, I need to understand to see if that one the right one to choose or not. But with that low, it's an SLQ. The liquidity for the demon zone is that one. Hit BOS for upside, sweep, DVR action because that's an MSU. For now I am bearish. Let's go to daily to analyze. If you go to daily, it's from here to here. See random formation now. Okay, what's the liquidity we have inside the price lead? Because we have a price lead now. Yes, it's the only thing it's here. Yes, these equal highs. And above that we have an imbalance. Above that liquidity here, we can look for sell target that one. So we are bullish to that one. That's the trade I took. I shared that trade on Telegram story if someone saw it. And for all, because I am bullish, I will look for bullish structure, which is here to here. I took the trade from here. So I just analyze that one to show you how I took the trade. But if I am here,
I,
I will not
sorry,
choose that
sir.
one too.
Sorry.
Okay.
I took the trade also, but I used IPA. I think I used
It's
15
wrong.
minutes, so it took me out.
Yes, because you don't have liquid to the IBA.
Okay.
I told you once you don't have liquidity, wait till price build some. And price
Yeah.
use the
I use
IBA.
lower time frame. So in the lower time frame, there's liquidity, but here there is not.
Do you have liquidity on the time frame you choose the bracelet?
There's something like 1 hour or 15 minutes. I got a liquidity there.
I told you something. Do you choose the price lead here on 4 hour, right? So once you choose the price lead on 4 hour,
Yes, I
you need to
think, yeah.
find the liquidity buildup on 4 hour. Once you choose it on 1 hour, you need to find the liquidity on 1 hour.
Okay.
Once you choose it on 15 minutes, you need to find it on 15 minutes. Because 100%, if you go to our time frame,
In this,
you will find
hmm,
different liquidity like that. If you go to lower time frame, here you have the
yeah.
same thing, nothing here.
Yes,
So
this is
the
the same
reaction
thing.
here is just a fade BOS for upside. That's an MSU, fade BOS. I stop it,
Hmm,
start to review our action.
yeah.
Okay, it's the same.
Yes,
If you go to 15 minutes, I think it's the same too.
yes,
It will be the only thing you have, it's something like that. It's also liquidity. Yes, from here, like that. So that's the first buy. If you depend on the lower time frame. But because you depend only on the lower time frame, you still didn't have liquidity on high time frame, you lost.
yes.
After that, what you have, you will analyze your price lead again, and you will find that it's nothing here. So that thing is just a build up, and I will look for buy again.
So this is where we got the liquidity, right?
Yes, I use it in base also.
Yeah. Okay, so it built up liquidity before it
For where?
started the
Yes,
trend.
it's build up. Yes, before
This
that one.
time.
For now, what I have,
Okay.
if I look for hour here, I analyze for hour. So what's the price lead I have? If I choose that one, I am wrong. So I need to look for something above. I will choose that one if I am here. But for hour is also for analysis, so I analyze the price leads. If I choose above, it will be from here to here. The liquidity now will be all these. Understand? Or you can choose that one, the MSU with the MSU.
Okay.
So from here to here, price can go up to take that one,
Yes.
same price can go down. So the nearest BOI it's here, above the liquidity. If you choose that one as a liquidity, you are wrong.
Okay.
The liquidity also only is here. Okay, but if price didn't give you a reaction like that, something like that, so the liquidity will be here now. Just I choose the nearest. That's the nearest liquidity. That's the nearest BOI. It's also secant formation, which means that it's total liquidity from the left. So that's the nearest BOI now above this resistance line. So I am bullish now. I end my analysis on 4 hour. All I need for now from 1 hour to 15 minutes to look for structure with high time frame. I am bullish, so I will look for bullish. From here, you can choose. You don't have anything here, but if you are here, you will choose that one. Okay. What I will do now, price to liquidity, I will look for buy. Someone will say, but that can be a liquidity. That's not a liquidity because you are bullish. You took the liquidity here,
So
and
already took the liquidity
yes,
of record.
price took price made double sweep. Look, price made that one and swept that one, which create a protected Asian law and price respected step by step order flow. So that can be something like that. It's tweet, and if you strong move for upside, it's tweet. That's what I have now.
Um,
So I will look for entry. What if price did that?
Omar,
Okay,
And why not you can choose this price level
because I
if
don't
you are
analyze.
here?
I don't analyze. I look for structure with high time frame. I only analyze from monthly to 4 hour. After that, I don't analyze. I choose something with what I get on higher time frame. Understand? You have time frames for analysis, time frames for medium time frame. Medium time frame, you don't
Okay.
analyze. You just choose setups. On higher time frame, you analyze. I finish my
Okay.
analysis here. But here, I choose setups with my target, which is from here
Yeah, clear.
to here. But if you want to analyze, you know that you are bullish, you can choose that one. Price from here can give you a small reaction for downside, then go up.
Hmm.
But I don't care because I know it's a counter one and I will look for buy. And if you choose that one to look for one sell, I think that I will not do that because you didn't break anything here, okay, which is nothing.
Will-
So I think
mm,
it will be like that. And you have a lot of build up here. You build the liquidity, you take that one, two, you did double sweep. Step by step, you respect the order flow. We just don't have volume, but I think next week you will have volume.
we have we just have this. Yes.
Yes. What?
No, just because of the breakout structure, we might have a small
Yes.
retracement.
After price,
Then
yes. After price that one, if you look for counter, if you trade bend bond, you are here. That's your price lead. That's your SLTU. You look for a small sell to the nearest strong low, then buy again. Same thing here. You are here. Like that. Price towards that liquidity from here. Price towards that liquidity from here. That's your liquidity. That's your high. That's your low. It's an IRTU. So price give us more action to the nearest strong low. It's like that step by step. You can won't touch every trade. I don't. I mean what I said. You can touch every trade, but you can't do that for every day. For long term, you will feel confused. I know. I tried that before. Or you can't continue with that for more than 2 days.
this
You
this
will feel confused.
this is better to divide it into three, sir.
That's a retracement. You can buy again. From here
Mm.
also, maybe price will give you one highlight you, then go up again. That can happen. If you wait 15 minutes, the price can react from here now. Price maybe go down till that one, then go up, react from that imbalance. Okay. After that, price can react from here above that liquidity, come back to react from the BI which left before, then give you the main move. Understand?
Uh,
Can he react?
Yes.
Hello, so Omar, I have to go. I have my friend birthday,
Okay, no problem.
so how we go? Can you don't forget to drop the recording session tonight so I can watch the whole session
Okay, bro.
if you can. Thank you very much. Have a good day, everyone.
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so you asked for what you
Can he react from here?
no, there is no reaction here. It's a liquidity point. If price give you a reaction for upside from here, it's not with our
Yeah.
rules. It's just build up liquidity. We know the price will come back to take it.
Okay.
So here, that's a liquidity. I will just look for sell, target that one, then look for buy from that imbalance. So what if price did that react from here? If price react from here, so We don't need that one now to break other reaction because there is nothing here to fill. But if price react from the imbalance but didn't integrate the BI, so we have a road reaction from here to go down, take that one as eyelet U, then go up. Okay,
This is an SMT, right?
yes, that's an SMT. Yes, that one is SMT. So I will look for sell. If I load 5 minutes, I will look for sell. I market that one, but I think price move without me. That's my price left from here to here. That's the SLTU. Above that one, I will look for sell. Maybe next week price will react like that and go down target that one. After that, react from that IBA. Then I will look for buy. What if price did that? If price did that, I don't have anything here to sell from. The only thing I have is here. I will look for confirmation here. I will look for confirmation also here. Was 1 minute involvement or 1 minute rejection. I explain the entries forward. Once I upload that session, you can watch it. Let's find the last one and go to with. So we can go to with Nasdaq because I will add it to next week. So what's my price lead I have? I think I have that one. That's my low, that's my high. Price totally exceed you. For that reason we are bullish. But price react from here now. So for now I don't know if price will continue going up or going down because price give me a reaction from that demand zone. I need to know if that demand zone is the right one because price give you a reaction. If you don't have a reaction, if you are here, you will just look for side killing. But once you are here, you need to make sure if that one is right or not. The meaning of right, I mean it's with the trend or not. So I go to monthly. Once I go to monthly, I think it's a valid one. Yes, because it's below, it's from that IBA. I am bullish on that monthly. I stored this SKQ. So I think that for now, that's the liquidity, that's the IBA. So what I have on monthly, I have the same thing. I think the price will go up. I don't have any reason to come back to here because you have the equity here. The nearest BI is that IBA. So you can look for buy, target these highs here. I think next week or next month, maybe that month, price will target that monthly high. And because of what Trump did, I think that price will go up. So here, that's what I have. If price come back here, that can be a build up liquidity for the demand zone. So price can go up. For now, I don't have any reason to go down because that's not a build up liquidity. That's a liquidity here. That's an IBA. So I am bullish. So let's go to weekly. So here, I have the same thing. On weekly, I have I have the same thing here, the demand zone like that, and I have something like that. If I choose the price on weekly, I choose that one with the high. In that case, I think that price will towards that low. Why? Because on weekly, I see It's one liquidity. So that's a liquid here, and that IBA it's not filled. So I am bearish. That action will just be a small action for upside. So I am bearish. Everyone understands that idea?
Yeah.
So I am bearish now. Let's go to weekly, daily, analyze it also. Okay. What's the price lead here? I will choose that one. Why is that one? Not that one because price reacted from here. So I need to know if that one is right or not. And I found it. It's an SLQ. Yes, it's just an SLQ for highlight that, then go down. So I think that I am bullish. That's an SMT. Smart my trap. Think that I am bullish. Let's analyze for hour. What's the price lead I have on for hour? If you are here, you will look for sell from here like Friday and Thursday and Friday. But if you are here now, like that, you will look for buy from here. But for now, where you are, for now you are here. So the price lead, it's where? It's here. Yes, this is that one. What is that one? What's the equator I have? I have a BY here, and I don't have a liquidity for the BY, which price creates that one. So the target for 4 hour will be that inducement high, and we'll have that high. You understand that?
Yes.
So I am bullish now to get that high. So for now, I end my analysis. I will look for setup with a time frame. If I go to 1 hour, I need to look for bullish setup. Nothing here. Can zoom out. You have something here. To be honest, there is no liquidity here first. That's the first thing. There is no liquidity here. So that will be the liquidity. So below that one, I will look for buy. Maybe price will do that, going up. Maybe price will start from side A going down. Okay,